Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Louvre Sofa Range. In this sofa range we will find a 3-seater, a 2-seater, an armchair and a footstool. There's also an option for a 3.5-seater and a 2.5-seater available for a custom order. The Louvre Sofa Range is available in 2 colour and fabric options. We have this stunning lavish burnt orange velvet as well as a cool vintage grey leather. If those colours or fabrics don't suit you, this sofa is available for a custom order in a selection of colours and fabrics, and these are available to view on a colour swatch in our stores. A stunning Chesterfield-like sofa featuring a tufted button design detail which just adds to the refinement of this range. The Louvre sofa features a solid wood frame. The seats are filled with a serpentine spring which provides excellent levels of comfort and durability. We also have foam which is topped with a layer of Dacron foam for added comfort. This on-trend yet timeless sofa will be an ideal fit for most interior styles. Transform your space today with the Louvre Sofa Range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.